Hey, what's up people? I am Sumeet Pawar and you're watching Coded Brackets. So if you want to learn PHP from basic to advanced, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon for notification. So in today's video, we are going to see what are variables in PHP. So let's get started. Now to write variables in PHP, we have certain rules. Now the first rule is, a variable starts with the $sign followed by the name of the variable. This is the syntax of writing variable in PHP. Now the second rule is, a variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. The third rule is, a variable name cannot start with a number. And the last rule is, a variable name can only contain alpha-numeric characters and underscore. In last example, we saw how to print a message in PHP. Now let's see how to print value stored in a variable along with a string in PHP. First of all, let's save the file as lesson2.php. Now, the variable starts with $sign followed by name of the variable. Now, we just assigned a value to a variable A. We'll do the same for variable B. Now, we'll add A and B and store the result in variable C. So we'll write $C is equals to $A plus $B and we'll end it with a semicolon. Now we'll print the value stored in $C. For printing a variable, we don't have to write the name of the variable in quotes. We can directly do it without using quotes. We'll run this file using our web server. Now you can see the output of the addition. Now let's print a message along with the value stored in the variable C. Now we'll write addition is and the value stored inside variable C. Now we can separate a string and a variable by a comma sign. Now let's save this and run it again. That's all. We just printed a message along with the value stored in C. So today we saw printing a value in a variable using echo and printing a variable along with a string. So that's all for today. Thank you.